Hello everyone, welcome to ChatTech. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to pin up a friend or group to your home screen. Before starting today's topic, if you are new at my channel, please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel first. Now quickly move towards today's topic. First of all, open your settings. Now scroll it up until you see a option wallpapers. Tap at wallpapers. Now paste my screen you can see. If you want to add a new wallpaper, simply add plus sign and add a new wallpaper. But if you want to customize it, go to your customize option. Now tap at your widget. First of all, you have to delete your widget first. Now down the bottom you can see all the widgets. Simply scroll it up until you see option Snapchat. Tap at Snapchat. Now select the widget. Now tap at the widget at your home screen. Now page my screen you can see. Choose a friend. Simply tap at choose. Now select your friend or group. Tap at OK. Now tap at cross sign. Now page my screen you can see. My widget has been changed. Now again tap at cross sign at the Snapchat. Again tap at cross sign at the widget. Now tap at done. Like this, you can easily pin up friend or group at your home screen. Or scroll it down. At my screen, you can see my widget has been added at my home screen. Like this, you can easily add a friend or group to your home screen. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel too. And if you have any question related this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.